wiggle, wiggle. Can't cut the Harley guy off. I can if he's just gonna chill there. But, fuck, come on. You got it, come on, you good. You're doing good. Holy shit. Woo! That was fun, boys. Holy shit, that was good. I love it. If you don't like that kind of content, you're watching the wrong channel. That felt fucking great. Woo! Woo! That felt amazing. Yeah. Oh, that was good. Oh, wow. So it was right. I tried to fight it. And that was the wrong move. I let go, and she straightened out, and it was cool. I just had to make sure I wasn't gonna hit something else. I was kind of leaning the bike with my legs to compensate for that. And it was cool. It was fun. It was good. It was great. Oh my God, that felt amazing. Woo! That was good. Anyhow, that's how you gotta be. You gotta be fearless out here.